Elevate your soup game with Pret A Manger's Tomato Feta Soup recipe. A rich velvety bisque with a tangy feta twist and a hint of fresh basil. It's comfort food with a gourmet touch. Begin by sauteing 1½ cups of sweet onion, roughly chopped, 1 cup of celery, 1 cup of carrot, and 1 teaspoon of garlic clove in 1/2 of a tablespoon of olive oil. Gently sweat the onion, celery, carrot, and garlic in the olive oil for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the vegetables are very soft. Add 2½ cups or 32 ounces of vegetable stock, a 28-ounce can of tomato puree. Now to this mixture, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. On a low heat, simmer the vegetables in the tomato broth for a minimum of 15 minutes or until the vegetables are extremely fork tender. Add 2 large pinches of kosher salt and 5 to 6 cranks of cracked black pepper. Using an immersion blender, puree the soup until it's velvety smooth. Now take a 28-ounce can of whole peeled plum tomatoes and hand crush them. Add the crushed tomatoes to the soup, a 1/2 cup of fresh basil finely chopped, and 2/3 of a cup of crumbled feta cheese. Now add 1 cup of heavy cream. Stir the bisque and allow it to simmer an additional 5 minutes on a low heat. To serve, feel free to top it with a little extra crumbled feta cheese and a fresh basil sprig. And let me know in the comments section if this is your new go-to tomato soup recipe.